Bon, j'ai dû commencer mon vidéo de nouveau, mais on va y aller comme ça pareil. La première pièce, ça s'appelle Harris Corner Bedroom. Ça fait que c'est la chambre de Harris Corner. Puis ici, dans cette pièce-ci, on a des tables où vous pouvez écrire, ou vous pouvez faire votre journaling si c'est ça que vous aimez faire. Un petit peu de vérification de vos courriels si vous apportez vos ordi avec vous en vacances. Ici, on a la chambre principale. On a une belle chaise, on a une vue. C'est sûr qu'il fait noir de soir, on ne peut pas voir grand-chose, mais au moins on a une petite vue. Ici, on a la chambre de bain privée. So this is the private bathroom for the Harris Corner bedroom. And we have chosen to do this in a more rustic and included a bit of modern amenities to them. So we hope you like the decor, and we hope that you love the work that was put into it. Share with everybody that you know. Try to get the buzz around just to get this moving. It's a shame to not be fully booked, and I want to be fully booked just so that I know that people are actually aware of this place. It is huge. It is really nice. We are looking forward to summer. We have a couple of weddings that are booked here. And so they have the opportunity to host their wedding outside or indoors. Pour ceux et celles qui cherchent à se marier, on a déjà des mariages qui vont se dérouler ici cet été. Vous avez l'opportunité de faire le mariage à l'intérieur ou à l'extérieur. Je vais juste tourner la caméra. Let me turn the camera here for you. And so here we have a nice pool table where people can gather and play a couple of games. If you're someone that loves to read, we have an available spot for that. And if you love to play guitar, ouais, pour les joueurs de guitare, c'est tout un plaisir. S'il y en a qui aiment beaucoup jouer le piano, for those that love to play piano, this is a great opportunity to have fun and a nice place to sit and chat. Yep, I have a big tree. I leave it on all year round. We don't really call it the Christmas tree, we call it the event tree. Ceci, c'est un arbre qui vous permet d'ajouter une petite touche à votre événement. Si vous avez une fête que vous célébrez, ou une retraite, ou toutes sortes de choses. On a un jus de pichenot. I'm not too sure how to say this in English. Pichenot, I guess it is. Donc, yeah. So, on a une place, nous autres, on joue beaucoup aux cartes sur cette table-là. And that's where we play a lot of our card games and stuff. And there's also a few games here that you can choose from. And now we'll be visiting the second bedroom. The second bedroom is called the Wayside Inn. Wayside Inn offers one queen size bed. There's a sitting area and lots of place for everybody to just hang out, have their own space if they need it. Puis on a une grande place aussi si vous avez vous voulez faire un beau souper que vous ne voulez pas amener votre propre souffle, ben on a des verres, on a des assiettes, des napkins extra que les gens peuvent se servir. And then we have a second bathroom. This one is on the main floor. And there's a shower in there as well. And so this is the common space that I was just taking you through. And so we'll go and visit the second level. You'll see that I'm kind of going a little bit fast. I'm not very good with this camera, but it'll give you an idea what to look forward to. There's lots of old maps. There's lots of history here for some of them, that for the people that love to look at history and know about the place. Danny is a real big fan of this, and so he's incorporated a couple of really nice pieces that could benefit or could interest some of you. And also we'll be celebrating this June 180 years that this building has been in existence. Ça va faire 180 ans que cet édifice est en marche. Puis c'est ça, on est avec le Explore and Be. Ça, c'est une plaque qu'il avait reçue quand c'était 100 ans pour l'édifice. This was a 100-year-old plaque that we managed to get our hands on, and we kept it as a souvenir. This was a painting from a local artist that was also provided to us. It's really cool. So let's head to the lower level. And through the lower level, I'll just give you a couple of, there is another bedroom. And for this bedroom, it's called the Felix bedroom. Felix bedroom comes from a pheasant that we have grew to like throughout the renovations. This pheasant would actually knock on this very window right there, and when we tried to approach him, he'd just run away from us. So this Felix bedroom consists of two queen-size beds, and they're all very comfortable beds and lots of space, as you can see. It's a great room for if you have teenagers coming with you, anywhere from 14, 15, 16. I know ours really enjoy that. So here is a big, long barn board table. I'm hoping that you guys can visualize yourself sitting here eating a nice, beautiful meal with your friends. And of course, the decor, we have old barn boards. There's floorboards that were from inside our walls. We just decided to use them as flooring. It's really cool. We have milk cans for seating, and you know, it's just Danny has put a lot of work into it. Very creative. And we also have a third bathroom, and this one is on the lower level. For those of you that are planning to stay here for the summer, or a couple of weeks this summer, there is a washer dryer, so you don't need to pack 2-3 luggage. You just pack one and bring lots of food and your favorite drinks, and you head on out to Old Church Cottages. This one here is called the Jones Brook Cottage, remember? And again, you can reach us online at oldchurchcottages.com. And if you have any questions, you can reach us at info@oldchurchcottages.com. And this here is our main kitchen area where you can cook that fabulous meal. And if you would love to cook maybe a lobster boil or corn boil, well, let me take you to the covered area patio where we have sitting areas. There is a barbecue if you want to cook outside, and you might not be able to see it tonight. I'll try to take you to it, but we do have a foyer where you can go and create a nice bonfire and cook up some wieners and hot dogs. And donc vous pouvez asseoir à côté du foyer pour boire votre favorite drinks. Puis c'est ça fait que c'est un peu un petit paradis qu'on aime de partager avec les gens. Ça fait que joignez-nous à nous, puis allez visiter notre site. Si vous avez des questions, envoyez-nous au courriel. Puis sinon, vous juste allez, vous choisissez vos dates, puis vous pouvez réserver en ligne tout de suite. Puis j'attends avec espérance de vous rencontrer. I hope to meet every one of you and share with everybody you know, and let's make sure that everybody is aware of Old Church Cottage's very first project called Jones Brook Cottage. Thank you for joining me on this tour, guys, and hope to see you this summer. Bye-bye.